Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. This video is really helpful for a lot of you guys out there that's struggling or really just don't know the best ways to put together your pairs of Air Force Ones. Now, Air Force Ones has to be one of the most reliable, one of the most durable. I mean, this shoe has been around for forever, and the truth is, it's never really going anywhere. In this video, I will be helping you guys figure out how to style, how to lace, and how to put them together. And this is for anybody who just like the Air Force One. It's a solid pick, whether if you just need a fresh shoe for the night or whether you're going back to school, or it really has like 100 different purposes that you really can't go wrong with. So make sure you watch the entire video because I will be giving y'all a few different looks on how to lace your Air Force Ones. As you can see behind me, I love sneakers, okay? And even though the Air Force One, I don't have hundreds of pairs, I will always have the respect and always have a love for it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. By the way, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also subscribe if you're new. The goal is 100,000 by the end of the year. Last but not least, guys, make sure you drop a comment down below. I will be in the comments responding to every last comment. You don't believe me? Try me, bro. Just try me. Go ahead, comment. See if I don't respond, bro. Negative, positive, I don't care. I'm responding to all comments forever. Hiya! Here we have a pair of Air Force Ones. One of my favorite pairs of Air Force Ones that came out in a while. It's very, very simple, but at the same time, it's nice, bro. Look at that. They got the camo on, the Nike swoosh. Just a nice pair of sneakers. One thing that really gets me over the top is the blue right here on the lace tips, bro. This is fire. Huge shout out to Foot Locker, by the way, for sending your boy a brand new fresh pair of Air Force Ones. I cannot wait to show you guys how to style this. Since we are talking about Air Force Ones, I cannot do this video without telling you guys about this product that I'm holding in my hand, which is Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is the best, cleanest solution in the game, hands down. So if you got a pair of all white Forces like this, in order to make sure that you keep them clean, it is mandatory. The worst thing you can possibly do is have a dirty pair of Forces, bro. I'm telling you, it really gets no worse than that. Any of you guys watching that want to keep your Air Force Ones clean or even prevent them from being dirty, check out Reshoevn8r. I have a long list of videos that I've done with them to prove that the product works. It is the best cleaning solution available. It will be linked down below in the description, not only for Air Force One, just about any sneaker that you have in your collection that you want to prevent from being dirty. So we got the Air Force Ones, man, aka the G-Fazos, aka whatever you want to call them. Air Force Ones really got like 100 names. We about to go over a few ways to style these and rock these the way I like to do it. And we're not gonna really do too much, but I'm gonna just let y'all know the ways I like to do it. So for the first lace technique we're gonna do is the loose Air Force One look. I know you've probably seen this before. It's like when the laces are almost all the way up to the top, but they're still pulled loose, and it looks very comfy, very cozy, and it's not like they all choked up and hurting your feet. Oh, hell no! As you see, the Air Force One is in my hand. The only thing I did so far was just lace that bottom lace, okay? So once you put in that bottom lace, you should be set to go. My only tip for you guys is to make sure that that Air Force One logo that is right here, you see that Air Force One logo? You want to make sure that that is in the middle of the sneaker. Do you see how I put that through the bottom and the Air Force One lace is right here? That logo is in the middle of the sneaker. That's very important because that's gonna let you know if you're good when it comes to like the length, okay? So when you pull both of these strings up, you kind of want them to be at the same point to make sure that, you know, everything is cool when you're leading up to the top of the sneaker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go through this like I would normally do. I might have to time lapse it depending on how it feels, but let's just do this together, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is just grab the other lace, the second lace. You wanna just pull that through. And once you pull that through, it's just like any other lace. You want to make sure these are flat too, because if they're not flat, you don't want them all balled up. So I like to like kind of just pull them up like this and then put them in the second hole. Like I said, if you don't, then the laces might not be flat and they might be like all turned. When I pull them up like this, it kind of prevents the shoe from like kind of being turned when you pull it through the hole. It's just an easy way for you guys to just remember to make sure that the shoe is flat, the shoelace is flat when you pull it through. If not, it might look a little bit different. So here I go again, pulling it up, bang, putting it through, just our regular way. We're not gonna really switch it up until we get a little bit higher on the Air Force One. And this will really work for a lot of different other styles. The reason why I chose the Air Force One is just because it's just so popular, man, and you really can't go wrong with an Air Force One. And if you guys need to just like rewind this or pause this, feel free at any time to just come back. But we're not doing nothing but just lacing this up the regular old school way. And then at the end, I'm gonna pretty much show you how to finesse it. All right, check this out. So check out how when I put these laces through, you see how they're all flat. You want them to be flat across. Some of them might be like twisted all up. You don't want that look. That's a very sloppy look. You want your laces to be as flat as possible. Grabbing it by the bottom, fixing it up, then I'm sliding it through, because that allows it to be straight as I pull it through, and it's not a problem. That's very important though if you want your laces to be straight. You don't want them all twisted up in there, man. It's a sloppy look. Part of the video, I'm gonna go all the way to the top. Just for the video, I'm gonna go to the top. Like I said though, I don't always go to the top. It just really depends on what I'm wearing, the mood, the style. Y'all know how that goes. So as the last one goes in, if it goes in, there we go. As the last one goes in, now what we want to do is we want to create that loose look. Right now, they cool. There's nothing wrong with them. This is your basic, this is what you call a factory lace. We want to make them loose. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this shoe down. I'm going to kind of face it towards me. And now we're going to hold these two up and we're going to start from the top. What we're going to do, we're going to pull these strings to the last part we want these to be. And what I mean by that is, however long you want your laces to be at the end, however long you want them to be, you want to pull that there now. Okay? So I don't really like mine hanging way low like this. You don't want to walk around with your laces hanging this low. You don't. That's just nasty. You're going to be stepping all on your laces. They're going to get all dirty. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is, you want to pull these up until your laces is like here. That's manageable. You know what I'm saying? That's not bad. That's not tacky. That there is manageable. You can do that. You can do that. So now we got them to a decent point where we want them, where we can obviously rock them. Now, since we pulled this up, we got to work the rest of the shoe. Here come the work, okay? So we're going to pull this, right, until this is even. And you're just going to do it layer by layer. So now we pull this. How I used to do my phone pauses back in the day, too. So now I pull this layer till it's like, you know, got a little pulling room. Just a little pulling room. And we're gonna work the rest out. But you just want to do this to each layer of the laces. So we did that for the first layer. Now we're gonna go down to the second layer. Pull this. Get that a little bit lower. And if there's too much room or if it's too high, we can always change it. Okay, now we got the second layer. I want y'all to go down to the third layer. Do the same thing. Pull it out. Pull it out. And don't just pull it out recklessly though. Just know where you want it to be and stop when it's there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pull it there. Then we're gonna pull it there again. Okay? Probably put out a little bit more. Pull it there. Pull this one a little bit more. There we go. And then that last one, the last one's tough because it's by the Air Force One logo, but we can pull that one a little bit higher too. And there, if you want to go over it, make it a little bit more even. Me, myself, what I like to do is I like to push like my hand, get my hand up under it, kind of push it up a little bit to have them stand up by themselves a little bit, straighten them out, and a little bit more. Boom, voila. This is the Air Force One. This is one look you can do, okay? This is the loose look. Very, very loose, very comfortable. Now, like I said, depending on the style that you want to rock them, you don't have to do them this way. You can always go back, redo it, pull them down some more, have them looking a lot more neater. This is the way we used to do like phone posers back in like 2015, 16, even 17. Very loose, very chill. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on foot, let y'all see how it looks with this lace style, and then I'll be right back. So now y'all see what these look like, both of these hand in hand next to each other. I mean, like I said, bro, it's a dope look to me. I like it. You know, I wear mine like this, and I wear mine the regular way too. I just think that, you know, having options is important, especially when it comes down to sneakers. That's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for watching so much. If you enjoyed the content on how to style your Nike Air Force Ones, then make sure you leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new. Drop a comment and tell me if you're rocking with this or if you absolutely hate it. Either way it go, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Make sure you follow me on IG and Twitter. Both of those are linked down below, and do not forget to head over to Reshoevn8r to make sure that your Air Force Ones stay clean. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.